Hi everyone, this is Lindsay from the Climate Science Alliance team, and today I'd like to share an update on a project that we've been working on for the last couple of months called the 2020 Climate Change Consortium for Specialty Crops of Southern California. This is a collaborative project of the Climate Science Alliance and the California Department of Food and Agriculture. This project builds off of CDFA's efforts in 2012 and 2013 when they hosted a consortium that brought together approximately 20 representatives from the specialty crop industry across mostly central and northern regions of California. Through these efforts, CDFA gathered recommendations from these representatives addressing the impacts of climate change for the specialty crop industry and opportunities for climate resilience. Since then, these recommendations have helped inform the development of a number of CDFA's tools, programs, and resources, including the Healthy Soils Program, online educational materials, and other statewide efforts. The 2020 Consortium is part of this larger vision to bring together and elevate the voices of specifically the Southern California agricultural community, to identify regional challenges and recommendations to help guide CDFA's future funding, policy, and research priorities. Throughout the time span of the 2020 Consortium, we heard from and collected input from a diverse group of participants through a variety of outreach and engagement pathways, including an in-person convening in February at the San Diego County Farm Bureau, outreach through regional partners like the UC Cooperative Extension, one-on-one interviews and case studies with local producers, and online and mail-in surveys. Together, we gather feedback from over 50 individuals, including growers, technical advisors, researchers, and representatives, providing over 700 points of input, which will be used to guide CDFA's future priorities for the region. In summary, what we heard was that there are many overarching challenges that are shared by Southern California producers. The majority of producers we spoke to noted that they're already experiencing changes in climate on their land today, including more variable and extreme weather, changes in temperature and precipitation, and reduced water resources and quality, leading to a number of ongoing challenges such as health impacts to workers, difficulty crop planning, and damage and stress on their crops. It's also clear that there's concern over what these changes mean for their production in the short and long term, and at large, the future viability of farming in the region. Despite these challenges, we heard from producers on the strategies and actions producers are already testing or interested in testing on their land now, and in some cases, new opportunities for innovation that are opening up. Participants also provided a number of recommendations for future priorities and needs, including regionally specific downscaled research that's relevant to agriculture, building capacity, testing, and investing in on-farm strategies and practices, funding that covers the true costs and duration of implementation of these practices, planning at both the farm level and the regional scale, additional outreach, technical assistance, and education amongst both local growers and consumers in the community, and advancements in technology and innovation for enhanced efficiency and precision, such as adopting new crop varieties suitable for the climate. Throughout this project, we've compiled a number of resources that are openly available to the public, including a short summary guide that gives a snapshot of Southern California's climate profile and compiles up-to-date research on potential crop-specific impacts. We're also finalizing the 2020 Consortium report, which compiles all of these recommendations and gives an in-depth summary of what we've heard throughout this project. This will be coming soon in the next couple of months and will be posted on our website and CDFA's webpage as well. Lastly, I'd like to mention that if you aren't familiar with the Climate Science Alliance, we are a network of partners, stakeholders, community members, and leaders working together to safeguard our communities from the impacts of a changing climate. And we're happy to collaborate with partners like CDFA to support resilience for our region. With that, I'd like to acknowledge the 2020 Consortium participants on behalf of the Climate Science Alliance and our partners at CDFA for their contributions in these efforts. So thank you for tuning in. We're happy to answer any questions that you might have about the project on the email provided on this slide, or feel free to check out any of the resources we have posted on our webpage. Thank you.